we're doing right now, and we're standing on Main Street, is the actually physical cleaning and lining of the 12-inch main. That was put in 1911, and we hope to finish that work by the end of the week. And then next week we'll start with doing night work to tie in with new pipe and new gates the side streets. So we're proceeding on schedule, and we're planning to be wrapped up by Thanksgiving. Try to keep traffic moving on Main Street and the side streets, and with proper notice we'll work through all the connections and disconnections we need to do to wrap up this project. Carefully spending ratepayers' money and try to work as effective and efficient as possible, replacing and upgrading and rehabbing the water mains in Hyannis. It's a 30-year project, and we can't do it all at once, so we'll do little steps at a time and try to be as efficient as possible.